اعطوني ابو شعول مشعلاني.
To work with such good international crew and cast, so I think it's a great feeling, and all that hard work we had put in all those months, now we are really looking forward to seeing it on screen. Yeah.
I'm looking forward because Ali is a friend, and he's really worked in trying to achieve an international look, and even the flavor is unusual because you have an English story, you have an Arab story, you have an Indian story, all, and that's what Dubai is. So I think it should be a very interesting. I haven't seen it yet. Looking forward to seeing it.
Even the stars from Hollywood and Bollywood, they were very incorporated with us, and they gave us a lot of advices, and that's what makes the movie in a good position.
I think what is important to say is that the full range of human behaviour, the full spectrum, has the good and the bad in it, and I think the audience will sympathise and empathise even with the more shadowy aspects of it. You know, Dubai has very much always been up on a pedestal, but just to show the reality, as Ali, the director, says, it's about showing the reality of the people that live in it. It doesn't have to be a negative thing. It's real life.
I definitely feel that, it's not overtly political, but it has its undertones of social and political messages that are very important to be in films, for sure.
In the whole Gulf, Gulf area, we should have produced in the future, not just one film. We wish we have 20, 40 for the whole seasons.
To be honest, I've actually seen it already, but I'm excited for him to see it. He's not seen it yet.